In this video, we will explore how to make 10 to add within 20. In the first grade, students learned different ways to make 10. And so here's a review of ways to make 10 with two addends, and we're going to use the knowledge of these to help us build our mental math skills in adding within 20. So for our first example, we have 9 plus 4. I do have these tens frames to help you understand and see the thinking I'm doing inside of my brain. So 9 plus 4, we're going to put 9 circles in this top 10 frame. And we'll put 4 circles in the bottom 10 frame. And now that I have my two numbers, I need to ask myself, how can I make a 10? Or what can I move to make one 10 frame whole, a whole 10? So I see that the 10 frame with 9 in it, it's only missing one circle. So what I can do is I can take 1 from the 4 and give it to the 9 to make it 10. I crossed this circle out because it's not in this frame anymore. I moved it up to the other frame. So now I have 9 plus 1 equals 10. And then I look down to the second frame to see what I have left. I have 1, 2, 3 left. So I'm going to do 10 plus the 3 more is 13. Now that I know that 10 plus 3 is 13, I can use that to know that 9 plus 4 is also 13. I can say that because when I look at my picture, I still only have 9 red circles and 4 yellow circles. I just moved where they were to make that 10. I did not add any more circles or take away any circles. I just moved one. So here's another example. 6 plus 8. So I will put 6 circles in the top 10 frame. And then 8 circles in the bottom 10 frame. So now that I'm thinking about 6 and 8, I'm going to ask myself, how can I make a 10? Or what can I move to make one 10 frame whole? So I see that the 10 frame with 8 only has 2 missing circles. So I'm going to move 2 of the circles from 6 and give it to the 8. And then we'll cross those out up there because they're not there anymore. They're in the bottom. So I took 2 from 6 and gave it to the 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Now I need to go back to that top frame and count how many are left over from the 6 I started with. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So I need to take those 4 and add it to the 10 I made. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So now I know that 10 plus 4 equals 14. And I can use that to help me know that 6 plus 8 is also 14. I still have those 8 yellow circles and the 6 red circles. I just moved where they were so I could think about tens, because your brain likes to think in tens. So that is making a 10 to add.